Hi, this is Preetham. Wish you all a very happy new year 2021. If you are coming to our channel for the first time, or if you have subscribed and you did not know that we have started online Abacus classes, please watch this video first by clicking on the link above. Yes, we have started online Abacus classes and we are very happy to share with you that we have 4 batches running successfully, and out of which one batch has already completed their course. Okay, and we request you to watch the video completely so that we have a special offer at the end that will be very helpful for the students who are interested to join. Yes, if you are a parent or if you are a kid who is afraid of online classes, what I mean to say is, like, you have to pay money and you have to attend course or class online, and you are afraid of any online frauds. What I suggest you to do is, you can contact us immediately, and how I can help you with this is, I can ask you to join our classes that happen on every Saturday and Sunday, so that you can come and join our class and see how the class goes on and how am I teaching in the online classes, so that you can get a feel of the environment and you can see how the kids are performing and how the instructor is teaching, and then if you like it, then you can go forward, or else you can drop it. So that's how I can help you with that. And uh, always, the children who are interested, you can contact us immediately to the number that is scrolling down. And we request you all to fill the Google form immediately, so that we can call you and we can arrange a demo class, or we can ask you to directly join our ongoing classes that are happening on every Saturday and Sunday, so that you can just come and see how the classes are going on. And one more thing, if you are from outside India, and if you as a parent or a student are outside India and are afraid about the time zone difference, please don't mind that. We have students from other countries, and we have managed to figure out a convenient time zone, so that we and they are at a mutually agreed time zone, so time for the class, and we can conduct the class successfully. We have conducted a poll about a week back, and we have received promising results from that. And the major outcome of the poll was that most of the parents or the students who have opted the option in the poll have requested us to give them more details about the course, and then they wanted to decide. Okay, let's get into the details. As of now, we are planning to start a new Abacus batch from January 2021, uh, primarily for children who are 8 years or above 8 years, because we already have a few students who have already admitted, who are waiting for their batches to start. But if you as a parent or a student have child or children who are less than 8 years of age, then you can definitely contact us to this number and fill up the form. Then we can see if we have good number of children, that is, let's say 5 children or 6 children, then we can make a batch for them, and we can start a new batch. Okay, for the children who are above 8 years or 8 years, the course is going to be for 6 months. Okay, and as part of the course, we are going to have weekly one class, and the class is going to be for 1.5 hours. The classes will be most probably on weekends, Saturday or Sunday. The time is not yet decided, because depending on the entries that we receive from various countries, and with the time zone differences, we will fix a mutually convenient time for students in India and abroad India. As part of the course, after every week we give the children assignments. Let's say, for example, today I have taught additions. Okay, and after today's class, the child will receive PDF documents which will have problems for the addition concept, so that they can practice them, and they can submit the assignments back to me, and I will correct them, and we will give individual feedback. That is about the assignments or homework or practice that the child can do in that week time. Okay, and we also conduct assessments. Okay, suppose in 1 month we have taught addition subtraction, for example. Okay, and after that month end, we conduct an exam, and we see how the child has learned in the previous month, and whoever has done well in the exam, we give them a trophy or a prize or a gift as a token of appreciation and as a token of encouragement, so that the child will be happy and other children will also be motivated, so that they can also perform better in the coming months assessments. Now you please see the footages of our previous months exam winners and also previous month exam photos.
Congratulations, Krishna, for again winning. I think you have the gift ready. Sir, is the gift ready?
Yeah,
Yeah, can you just give it to him?
Krishna is the winner.
Krishna is a winner. Okay. Congratulations, Krishna. Very well done. And
Okay. Sure.
can you show the trophy, please? This one, middle. Show it like this. Okay, so Krishna is a winner. Congratulations for winning the next second time also. Very well done.
Thank
I
you.
want to welcome, Krishna. Welcome. You deserve it. And last time, Pranesh and Darnish won the prize, right? Now I am awarding them. Yeah, I have the trophies ready. Pranesh has it. Can you show it, please? Oh, that looks very good. Congrats, Pranesh. Darnish, did you get it? Okay, awesome.
One kind request from our side: if you are filling the Google form, please fill the Google form only if you are 100% interested. I can understand that you will need more details, that you can always contact us to this number, or the number is also scrolling down. You can contact us and you can know more details, but please don't fill the form for time pass sake. Please don't fill the form. That is waste of your time and waste of my time also. After filling the form, you can contact us immediately on this number, so that we can arrange a demo class, or we can share you the link for our ongoing classes that happen on every Saturday, Sunday. We will share you the link. You can just join the class and you can see how it goes on. Then we can proceed further. Once again, wish you all a very happy new year. Now coming to the special offer. All the students and parents who are registering for the course that is starting on January 20, that is starting in January 2021, maybe in the third week or second week, some date. Okay, in January 2021 we will start a batch. All the students who register from January 1st to 5th, okay, January 1st or 2nd or 3rd or 4th or 5th is the last date. 5th is the last date. Whoever will register in these 5 days will receive 10% discount, 10% discount for their course fees. Okay, once again I'm telling, all the children who will be registering today, starting today until January 5th, that is Tuesday, all of them will receive 10% discount. So we request you to avail this offer if you are interested. And once again, thank you for supporting our channel, and thank you all our parents who have opted our online classes and are running successfully. Thank you so much.